So hello everybody, today we're going to attempt to make a frozen snowstorm. Frozen is another one of Elsie's interests and I've not really done any science with her before, so we thought we'd just give it a go. So we've started to make some of the things already just to make it a quicker video. So in this jar here, you just need some baby oil. It says to fill your jar 3/4 full, but this is the only baby oil we've got, so we're just going to give it a whirl. You also need some white paint, some glitter, some food colouring, a cup of water in here which we have already mixed with the white paint, and like an Alka seltzer or something that dissolves. So we're just going to give it a go and see what happens. So here we've put the baby oil in the jar already, and we've also blended the water and paint together so it makes a white consistency. Thank you, Elsie. And then, Elsie, thank you. We've added some glitter to the jar, and then we're also going to add some food colouring. Do you want to squeeze some in? Don't drop it in. That's it. And then we're going to add this water. So we're going to pour the water into the jug to make it easier. Yeah. Going to pour that in. And then hopefully, if we pop this tablet in, do you want to get it out, Elsie? It should make a snowstorm. Can you do it? Oopsie, that's it. Just pop it in and we'll watch. Oh, it's doing something. I'm not sure if it's a snowstorm, but can you see? And that, I think, was our swirling snowstorm. That's it. That's it. You're meant to give it a stir. Now stop. Stop stirring. And there you have it. A frozen swirling snowstorm. Good luck. Hope you have as much success as I did.